Sometimes life creates meanings out of nothing. Sometimes its purpose is meaningless. My sin is to carry an unclear destiny. Maybe there is no sense in that anyway. The main function of the hunter is to watch, and the main function of the night is to time the hunter's destiny. I am a hunter, an explorer looking into the darkness. I am looking for the missing links within myself. The night is cold, as is my love for it. Finally, my time has arrived. My hands are cold, my eyes are tired, but I can still smell your loneliness. Your perfume arouses me. Your scent completes me. Love is all we've got, but we are still apart. I don't know why. You don't know why. And this makes my heart cry. I want to stop this bleeding. Can you help me? Can we help each other? She knows that I am here. She knows that we'll be together soon. Oh yes, she is something else. Run. Please run. I don't want this to be easy. I need this to be hard. I don't think that we deserve to be alone, and I don't think that I deserve to live without you. I have hot desires, but she does not understand me. I feel the anguish dominating me. Why should I care if she understands me or not? Should I mind too much? I am trapped inside a chain reaction that this world can never understand. I want to be loved, kissing your lips, feeling blood pressure coming up, getting warmer each second with your breath closer to mine, making me even more excited. I want to take you into my arms. I need to be careful now. She needs to know that I have a surprise for her, but not just yet. Confused? Don't be afraid. You're not alone. Things will get more complicated soon at a theater near you. A Rockstar production.